How to become a millionaire step by step. Becoming a millionaire is a challenging goal that requires a combination of hard work, dedication, and smart financial decisions. Here are some steps you can take to increase your chances of becoming a millionaire. 1. Set clear financial goals. Write down your financial goals and create a plan for achieving them. 1. Having specific, measurable, and achievable goals can help you stay focused and motivated. 2. Create a budget. Create a budget and stick to it. 2. Keep track of your income and expenses and make sure you're spending less than you're earning. 2. This will help you save more money. 3. Save and invest. Start saving and investing as early as you can. 3. Open a savings account and try to put a portion of your income into it each month. 3. Learn about different types of investments and how to invest in a diverse set of assets. 4. Increase your income. Look for ways to increase your income, such as taking on a second job or starting a side business. 4. The more money you make, the more you can save and invest. 5. Get an education. A good education can provide the foundation for a successful career and a high income. 5. Learn new skills and advance your career to increase your earning potential. 6. Be frugal. Be mindful of your spending and live frugally. 6. This can help you save more money and reach your financial goals faster. 7. Network. Building a network of contacts can open doors to new opportunities, both professionally and financially. 7. Connect with other entrepreneurs, business owners and experts in your field. 8. Be open to new opportunities. Be open to new opportunities that come your way. 8. Take advantage of opportunities to learn new skills, meet new people and gain new experiences. 9. Avoid debt. Try to avoid taking on too much debt and pay off any high-interest debt you have as quickly as possible. 10. Keep learning and improving. Keep learning and developing your skills and knowledge in order to take advantage of new opportunities and stay ahead of the curve. It's important to remember that becoming a millionaire is a long-term goal and it takes time, patience and dedication. It's not an